Hi everybody, this is Kim. I'm coming in back with another wig review. I got this wig. I bought this wig with my own money. I ordered online from Sam's Beauty. Don't forget to click that subscription button. Leave me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments. Let's talk about this wig, y'all. This is the Stylist, the Swiss lace silk top lace wig. It's supposed to have a 4x4 silk closure. Let's take it out the packaging, because with this packaging it's just glares and everything else on it. Here's the stock card. This is the straight affair in a F1B/30. And with this wig, as you see on the top, it says you can part it any way. A left part, a right part, a center part, however you want it. Because it has a 4x4 lace top on it. Let's take it out. Okay. These are synthetic wigs. These are premium synthetic wigs, meaning they can be flat iron. On the inside, it comes with 2 combs, and it also comes with adjustable straps in the back, and also a comb in the back. I love the fact that they put these little labels in there. I love that. Because, you know, especially if you have a lot of wigs, you don't know which wig it is. So I really like the fact that they, you know, put these in the bottom. And I'm just hooking the clip back on. And then it comes with the lace around the top. We're gonna cut that off. And then the 4x4 silk top, which you can part anywhere. If you're curious about the wig that I have on, this is the penny wig by Outre. It actually comes longer. I just cut it short like this. And this is also a synthetic wig as well. If you want to see a review on this, leave a comment at the bottom and I'll do that. I actually have this wig in 3 different colors. So if you want to see those wigs, just leave a comment at the bottom and I'll do that for you. Okay, this wig is actually really thick, and it gives most definitely, you know, like my texture hair. And that's what the top look like. I'm gonna cut the lace off, put the wig on, and then I'll be right back. Okay, what I have to say about this wig, the straight affair. This wig is just okay for me. It is very, very thick. This is a lot of hair, a lot of synthetic hair. I think if I went with the flat iron and straightened this hair out a little bit more, I think it'd be beautiful. But putting it on my head and just wearing it like this, I don't think so. And then I hate this little color right here. I don't like that. Also, I feel like the part, now I did the best I could. I didn't really want to go into it and tweeze it and do all those things just yet. But I just wanted to put it on my head, see what it looked like, come to y'all. So, because not everybody know how to tweeze and all that stuff. Most of the time, well, not most of the time. Sometimes people just want to get a wig, put it on. They don't want to do all the extra. So this is me telling you, you know, this isn't that type of wig. This isn't the wig that you just get straight out the box, put it on your head, and you could go. This ain't it. This wig needs a little work. You know, I done seen a couple of reviews and people say, oh yeah, this hair is beautiful, just put it on and go. This ain't that hair for me. You know, one, I feel like the part most definitely needs to be tweezed. That part is just, it ain't right. And the reason why mine look pretty good is because I used some powder on it. But I most definitely could go in and tweeze a little bit. this hair would be beautiful, flat iron with some curls. Yeah, this would be the ideal hair for that. Most definitely you need baby hair just to make it look a little better. I'm not super good with the baby hair thing, you know, but yeah, mine don't look all that good. And then the silk cap rolls back, so that's the reason why I really put the concealer, because it's not really laying flat. Now I don't know if I adjust these straps in the back, or maybe, oh yeah, one came loose. That's probably why. That's probably the reason why it's not, I didn't know it came loose. That's probably the reason why it's not laying as flat as I needed to lay, because one of them came loose. And I don't know if I can put it back. Oh, well, we ain't gonna worry about that. And most definitely it sheds, and as you see, it does tangle. That's just what long synthetic hair is gonna do. It's gonna tangle, it's gonna shed. Especially when you start tweezing the hairline, the part, and cutting it and doing all these different things. Yes, it most definitely is gonna shed. So, you know, with that, you're gonna have a lot of hair everywhere. I personally wish that I would have got this in like a number 2, because this big bold streak of color, I don't really like it, and it's not really coming up the way that it is. I don't really like that. I feel like they shouldn't just have, it's too chunky. It's too chunky. But they claim that this is supposed to be the most realistic, natural looking wig. I think they say that because it's thick, because it's a lot of hair. It's a whole lot of hair. But like I said, I think if I flatten, you know, went in with a flat iron and flatten the top a little bit and maybe put some curls in it, I think this will be pretty hair. It'll be nice hair, you know. And then I didn't do my sides or anything, but you know, I just put it on just so y'all could see first impressions of what the Stylist straight affair looks like. And this is still the straight affair wig in a 1B/30. And I just wanted you to see the difference. But as you see, this side I flat iron, and this side is still the way it comes out of the packaging. And as you see, it's a little, and I just got this on because I did my makeup and I didn't want the makeup to get on my shirt. And plus, I'm gonna show you how this hair straightens with the flat iron. And I got my these are some old flat irons that I got, and I got them set to 340. To 340. That going. And you see the difference, how silky this hair reminds me of, like some Indian Remy hair. Virgin hair, because it has that shine to it. I don't know if you can see that, but it does have a little shine, and this you can see like that texture in it. But this, you can still somewhat see the texture in it, but not as much. This side is more sleek, and this is just really like poofy. This, at first I felt like this hair wasn't gonna work for me because I really wasn't liking it. But I didn't, this little room. I'ma do all that. So I just wanted to come in real quick to show this, you know, to add on to the video, you know, me flat ironing this hair. It flat irons really good to be a synthetic. I'm super shocked. It is looking good, because at first I was like, I do not like this hair. You know, even that little color at the top, I'm even liking it better. So we'll see. We'll see. And like I said, I just put it on my head and I put a little bit of the spray Gotta Be, and it still ain't holding. I'm gonna have to put gel that back down just so it can look a lot better. But okay. You see the difference in the two textures when I the flat iron part and the not flat iron. See how silky the flat iron part is? And look at the texture of the other one. Peace.